I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Choose a car with balanced handling and at least 50% fuel because long coastal drives matter. Once ready, open the map and set a nearby town as your first waypoint so you have a clear heading. Use the sun or coastline on the minimap to align your travel direction. This gives you a natural sense of north versus south. Keep moving toward the shoreline. Staying near water increases the chance the lighthouse will appear on the horizon. Once on the coast, shift your route to follow coastal roads and avoid inland shortcuts that bypass waterfront landmarks. Make sure to check the map every 2 to 3 minutes. Small course tweaks keep you aligned with the shoreline. Watch for telltale landmarks like piers, fishing huts, and dramatic cliffs. These cluster near lighthouses in Driving Empire. If traffic or terrain slows you, circle a small bay. Lighthouses often sit on promontories visible from these vantage points, so be patient and scan. As you close in, reduce speed and switch to first person or a zoomed camera to pick out the lighthouse silhouette against the sky. Approach promontories slowly so you can scan for the tower and adjacent coastal guard structures. These confirm you found it. Once on site, park and interact with any objective markers. If you lose it, make sure to fast travel to the nearest port or use map search filters for beacon or tower icons. This recovery move saves time and gets you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.